I decided I couldn't take it anymore. I thought I'm going to break lockdown tonight. So I come out in the hot tent and I'm going to get a nice fire going there tonight now. And I'm going to cook up a lamb curry. So I am really broken lockdown today. I've just gone out the garden. I've got a couple of things to show you. You've probably seen my wood burning stove. I'm going to be getting that going and cooking a curry on it later. I've got a new camp bed as well. The OEX Ultralite. Ultralite being a bit misleading because it's 2.4 kilograms. But I tried it out briefly, laid on it, and it's the comfiest camp bed I've ever laid on. So if you're not walking far, this could be an option. I'll get this set up in a minute to show you. Once you get this thing up, it makes you realise how small the bear gouse is. I was in the snow video. In the same weight. That's the weirdest thing I've ever looked. 1.9 kilograms it is. They're like proper luxury for the amount of space you get. Right? The homely stove has gone up. So this is where it got ripped the other day, so I've put Gorilla Tape on it on both sides. Just until I can get another tent really, because it's got another hole here and someone's pulling that pole a little bit too hard. But you know, it's been through some abuse this year, it's lasted me well. There we go. I'm sure the neighbours are thinking, what the hell is that thing by now? So I'm going to set up my cot now. You just have to be careful it doesn't come out to any of these side holes on it. There it is. Right, here's the setup. So I've got my cot underneath, sheepskin rug, fluffy down bed. I've also just got a new Trekology pillow. Make sure you got that strap on guys. They come highly recommended by everyone, so I thought I'd give it a go. It took me 3 blows to blow it up, so I'm impressed with that. It looks like it's going to be good. The reason I got it, so I've got this cot. If my pillow slips off there, I don't want to be looking underneath this thing in the night. And even Poppy's got her own mat and sleeping bag, look. I don't think I'm going to get cold in here tonight with this stove. Some caramelised nuts left over from Christmas. Pinot Grigio. I'm feeling very indecisive. I don't know if I might go back to the shop and swap this out for some craft beers instead now. I'm not really feeling the wine. And this is the curry I'm going to be doing. Lamb tandoori. Proper Welsh lamb. 4 naans and a grandpa. And a pilau rice. Looking forward to that. First beer guys, is Poplar up this way. Butty Bach. Olive oil.
Check.
Could do a little cooking program, yeah.
Yes. Nice cooking.
Welsh diced lamb.
I don't want it, so
Yum.
no check.
Come on. Lamb's the best.
No, it's not.
If you're going to make a curry, make it a Welsh lamb curry.
I hate lamb leg. In fact, I've never tried it.
Exactly. If you were eating that now, you'd love it.
No.
Right? This is a great stove for cooking on. That's what I found. It's really warm in the tent, but it's more of like a simmer
And it
when you're
cooks really
cooking on
quick.
top.
It cooks really quick.
Yeah, but quick, but not too quick, you know, it doesn't burn things. Right, tandoori sauce is going in. Oh, here comes the dude. Now he didn't want curry, so he's got pizza.
Well, it's not here.
You got a pizza?
Nope.
Not here yet. Ah, right.
So
We'll be on his way.
It's so slow.
You could have had a spicy curry.
And Freya has
here's
joined
somebody
us.
else.
Freya's joined us on our adventure to Magic Land.
There she is. All the dudes are in here now.
Hi.
So Poppy's just started licking this because I put it up there. She'll be sorry, mind. Spicy curry.
It'll burn your mouth, Pops.
You'll be sorry.
Oh, now she's
You
just.
know, like the redder
sad.
it is, the more spicy it is, I'm sure.
Oh. Then fire's spicy.
That's a very spicy one, that isn't
And
it?
fire's spicy.
Oh yes, fire's very spicy. The spiciest of all.
No, fire is not spicy. It tastes like nothing, so I've done it.
What, you tasted fire?
Yeah,
What does fire taste like?
nothing.
No, it must taste
How
burny.
much?
Like spice.
It's. What was that?
Oh, this is going to be good. Oh yeah.
My food is
Oh yeah.
a tiny little pizza and tons of chips.
That's not fair. So, aye, bashing the camera. That's not fair having a pizza. Someone else cooking it for you. Tandoori lamb is looking done to me. Well, yeah. This isn't taking long at all.
Nope, we literally just put them on.
Smell them. That's a lot of curry.
It's in. Well, I'm excited to see your face.
Look at these.
I only got one of them. If anyone doesn't like pineapple pizza,
What's wrong with you?
Yeah, what is wrong with you? Pineapple pizza is the best.
it's the only pizza I even eat.
Chips, beans, and cheese. We'll get the
Chips,
camera.
beans and cheese.
It's recording. Wow.
Who's got the best food?
Pizza
Curry.
or beans, cheese, and chips?
Alright, so we're going to do the marshmallows now. Here's the little marshmallow toaster.
Biscuits.
So I got the marshmallows, salted caramel marshmallows. Some biscuits. Sticks to cook them. And chocolate. Alright. Looks like some sort of alcohol burner. Go on then, get your marshmallows on, guys.
Okay. It was on fire then.
That was a bit much for you.
Well, it's okay. It's just the corners.
Did you read the instructions?
What?
There are instructions.
I don't read instructions.
Oh, Daddy.
What we have to do, right? You get one biscuit. You put chocolate on top.
Yeah.
And then when your marshmallow's hot, you plonk it on there. And plonk another biscuit on top.
Okay. Oh. Oh, this is oh, Daddy, it's boiling inside and now it's gone. Look. I need my chocolate. That is very quickly. Lovely.
Super good.